Want to know all about Security Copilot agents in Microsoft Purview? Then do stay tuned. So you can see that Security Copilot agents are here in the Purview portal, and you can discover a whole new way to automate security with AI. We can explore the agents that are available to us so far within Microsoft Purview. We can ask ourselves, what actually is an agent? And we can learn more. Let's take a look at the Learn More here. And this is a preview feature, as we can see. And Microsoft Security Copilot agents are AI-powered processes that are designed to help you with specific role-based tasks. Purview offers a data loss prevention triage agent in preview and an insider risk management triage agent. And they provide a managed alert queue where the highest risk activities are identified and prioritized. The agent then analyzes the content and potential intent involved in the activity based on the organization's chosen parameters and level of risk tolerance. Well, let's take a look at how these go in the actual portal itself. I'll just use the carousel here to get back to the Security Copilot's advertisement, which, let's face it, that's what this is. Let's click on what's an agent. Agents work on your behalf, and they use AI to complete routine tasks and surface insights with some level of autonomy so you can focus on high-value work. You can check the agent's work. Like all AI, an agent might be wrong sometimes. That's important to bear in mind. And your organization will be able to monitor and manage those agents. You can check its output, make sure it's correct, and give feedback to help an agent learn and improve. We can explore agents right from the advertisement, but we can do so right from here as well. And we can see the two that we just read about in the Learn document are there and available to add. Now, as ever in my videos, you probably know me well enough by now to know that I am very averse to spending money. So I don't have Security Copilot set up. I don't have SCU. So I'll take this as far as I can. This is just with the intent to get you started. So let's take a look at what we can do here with these agents without actually having Security Copilot on. Let's click to add the alert triage agent in Insider Risk Management. If we click to add, it tells you what you need to do to get going, and it tells you what this agent is going to do for you. The first informational alert at the top is a prerequisite. To set up and deploy this agent, you must be assigned the Purview Content Analyst and the Security Copilot Workspace Contributor roles. And you can learn more about agent-related permissions from this link. Now, I took a look already in the settings and roles, and because I don't have Security Copilot set up on my tenant at the moment, I do not have those roles available to assign, so I can't do that. So let's go through and see what else this is going to do for us if we did have that Security Copilot available to us. This agent reviews insider risk management alerts to detect any insider risk and evaluate its sensitivity. It examines relevant documents to prioritize alerts and summarizes its findings, enabling insider risk management analysts to investigate and resolve issues swiftly. It doesn't resolve alerts or take any other actions. What is the trigger for this one? The agent will run automatically based on a set schedule or manually on one alert at a time. Permissions. Access policy configurations and settings inside Insider Risk Management are necessary. Read activities and events in Microsoft Purview. Read file content and metadata involved in Insider Risk Management alerts. Store user feedback and apply feedback when evaluating Insider Risk Management alerts. Identity. This agent will run using your identity. Well, duh, makes sense. Agent authentication will expire in 90 days and need to be renewed. Okay, so that's something worth bearing in mind. What are the products relevant to this agent? We have Insider Risk Management and we have plugins Microsoft Purview. Roles with access. Who can manage? Anyone in the Insider Risk Management analysts, Insider Risk Management investigators, or Insider Risk Management role group must be assigned the Purview Content Analyst role or in the Purview Agent Management role group. Who can view activity? Anyone inside the Insider Risk Management analysts, Insider Risk Management investigators, or Insider Risk Management role group. And you can click to learn more there about who can use the agent. The workspace. The selected workspace is default, but you will be able to change that. If you did have your SCU set up, you could choose which workspace you wanted to work with, and you can learn more about workspaces here. And at the bottom in the small print, we can see that by using the alert triage agent inside a risk management, you agree to the privacy policy, terms of use, and permissions. And as you can see, I do not have the required permissions, and I can't set up the agent, and I can't get the required permissions, presumably because those roles are not there, as I don't have Security Copilot installed. So makes sense. So I'm going to cancel that one. Let's take a similar look through the alert triage agent in data loss prevention, and we get the similar warning here, and then we get the description here of what this one does, and it reviews DLP alerts to detect any leaked data and evaluate its sensitivity. It examines relevant documents to prioritize alerts and summarizes its findings, helping DLP analysts to investigate and resolve issues swiftly. But it doesn't resolve those alerts. Very similar stuff indeed. And the trigger will run automatically based on a set schedule or manually on one alert at a time. Exactly the same. Permissions needed for this one, access policy configurations and settings in DLP, read activities and events in Purview, read file content and metadata involved in DLP alerts, store user feedback, and apply feedback when evaluating DLP alerts. Again, this agent will run using your identity, and it will expire its authentication in 90 days, need to be renewed. The products are DLP and Purview. Roles with access are described here, and yada, 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 the same sort of thing. So that's it in a nutshell. Let's end the screen share there and go into a little bit of an outro. And that, my friends, is that. Security Copilot agents in Microsoft Purview. Truth be told, I am really not excited about this. I think that it's very early days with this technology. In my day job, I've not really seen any clients who would make any use of this in its current form. Analysts who know what they're doing will very, very likely be able to get where they want to get quicker with their own ways of working than by using this. But is that the point? I don't know. Perhaps the point is that this could ultimately enable organizations to reduce their workforce, to let people go, to cut their costs. But saying that, the costs of Security Copilots aren't very easy to quantify at the moment. So I remain to be convinced that the way they are measuring those costs with SCUs is a transparent way of doing so. In short, this is not for me right now. I think it's one to keep an eye on, one for the future, maybe the more immediate future than we realize right now, but it's certainly one to watch. But my advice to most organizations would be, you probably don't need it right now. Keep an eye on it. Probably the organizations that would benefit from it the most right now would be those smaller businesses, those SMBs or SMCs. Ironically, they're the ones who probably can't afford IT resources in-house and have limited budget to A, outsource their IT, or B, afford something like Security Copilot. So I wonder if in time Microsoft will introduce a SMB version of Security Copilot at a lower cost point with more transparent costings and ways of standing it up. Anyway, that's about all I can say about it. So we'll wind up the video there. Thank you for watching as ever. Do give this video a like if you've enjoyed it, and hit the subscribe button if you want to stick around and view more content like this. I would encourage you also to look at the join button to see what membership options I have available. A recent addition to my membership perks is for my senior consultant members, who are now entitled to a bi-weekly meetup with myself every 2 weeks. We had the first one last week, and it was a great success, and we had a great time. So come and join the community, and we'll get a good old chat going, and you can share with me some ideas for what you would like to see on this channel. So there we go. With that said, I will bid you goodbye, and take care, stay safe, travel well. See you soon. Bye for now.